Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google account, a valid payment method, and to be at least 18 as the family manager. Once done, open YouTube and sign in. Make sure you use the account you want to manage payments from. Tap your profile, then purchases and memberships to begin. This initiates the family plan flow. You do this now because it links billing and invitations in one secure step, preventing separate charges later. Next, choose the YouTube Premium Family Plan and review the monthly price and billing start date. Once you select it, the flow prompts you to create or link a Google Family group. This group controls membership eligibility. Add up to 5 members by entering their email addresses, send invites, and check that each person accepts. Make sure members confirm the same home address. Otherwise, Google may block the family benefit. This step ties each member's access to your billing account. Finally, verify that every invited person has accepted and now shows YouTube Premium under their account. Check purchases and memberships to confirm. If someone didn't get access, remove and re-invite them or have them sign out and back in. Make sure billing processed correctly and note your next billing date. If something goes wrong, first confirm the home address and household rules, then clear browser cache and re-invite. If issues persist, contact Google support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.